हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल माइंड पोर्टल। आज के इस क्यूज वीडियो में हम मार्केटिंग एंड सेल्स के कुछ क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे जो आपके अपकमिंग CIL नॉन एग्जीक्यूटिव टू एग्जीक्यूटिव एग्जाम से रिलेटेड है। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। DAS lays out the target markets and the value proposition the firm will offer based on analysis of the best market opportunities. Option 1 tactical marketing plan, option 2 strategic marketing plan, option 3 strategic marketing plan, and option 4 operational plan. And the correct answer is option 2 strategic marketing plan. The 4 Ps, which are the focus of market opportunity analysis. Option 1 customer, competition, cost, and capabilities. Option 2 customer, contest, change, and capabilities. Option 3 change, customer, competition, and cost. And option 4 customer, competition, cost, and concept. And the correct answer is option 1 customer, competition, cost, and capabilities. Which of the following is not a prerequisite for a market audit? Option 1 independent, option 2 periodic, option 3 brief, and option 4 systematic. And the correct answer is option 3 brief. A marketing manager for a small computer manufacturer is analyzes the potential effects of political, legal, social, and economic forces on the firm's operation. The marketing manager is examining that influence the firm's strategy. Option 1 operating situation, option 2 marketing environment, option 3 trends, and option 4 economic conditions. And the correct answer is option 2 marketing environment. Market opportunity analysis is a process. Option 1 to assess the attractiveness of a business opportunity. Option 2 to allot the resources to different departments. Option 3 conceal the needs of the customers. And option 4 to provide a smart solution. And the correct answer is option 1 to assess the attractiveness of a business opportunity. When considering the attractiveness of an industry at the macro level, which of the following would you not consider? Option 1 the degree of competitive rivalry in the industry. Option 2 the degree to which suppliers are able to set term and condition. Option 3 barriers to entry. And option 4 the economic viability of the business model. And the correct answer is option 4 the economic viability of the business model. In considering the attractiveness of an industry at the micro level, an entrepreneur is actually considering option 1 her his particular business, option 2 her his target market, option 3 the threat of substitute product in the industry, and option 4 all of the above. And the correct answer is option 1 her his particular business. The traditional view of marketing begins with the first step called option 1 strategic marketing, option 2 financial planning, option 3 business planning, and option 4 operational plan. And the correct answer is option 1 strategic marketing. To evaluate opportunities, companies can use DAS to determine the attractiveness and probability of success. Option 1 market opportunity analysis, option 2 SWOT analysis, option 3 management by objective, option 4 management by expectation. And the correct answer is option 1 market opportunity analysis. AN is a challenge posed by an unfavorable trend or development that would lead, in the absence of defensive marketing action, to lower sales or profit. Option 1 environmental threat, option 2 shifting face of labor, option 3 selection of market for targeting, and option 4 phishing attacks. And the correct answer is option 1 environmental threat. माइंड पोर्टल ऐप पे CIL नॉन एग्जीक्यूटिव टू एग्जीक्यूटिव एग्जाम के लिए टेस्ट सीरीज और ऑनलाइन क्लासेस अवेलेबल है। टेस्ट सीरीज और ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए हैं। लिंक पे क्लिक करके आप टेस्ट सीरीज और क्लासेस परचेस कर सकते हैं। माइंड पोर्टल के एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन ग्रुप को ज्वाइन करने के लिए नीचे दिए गए नंबर पे मैसेज करें। इस तरह के और क्यूज वीडियो के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करें।